Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all most important settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark and enable automatic switch. Then we can change text size, enable bold text, change brightness level and enable true tone, enable night shift, schedule it and change its intensity. Then we can enable auto lock, rise to wake and change display zone. That's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.